Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling how to check for appendicitis at home in 2025. First off, I'm not a medical professional, and this video is just for general information. Always consult a doctor if you suspect any health issues, your safety comes first. So, what is appendicitis? It's an inflammation of the appendix, a small pouch attached to your large intestine. If not treated quickly, it can lead to serious problems like rupture, which is why early detection matters. Let's break down the key symptoms. The most common one is sharp pain that starts around your belly button and moves to the lower right abdomen. You might also feel nausea, vomiting, a low-grade fever, loss of appetite, or even constipation or diarrhea. In 2025, with advanced health apps, you could track these symptoms digitally, but don't rely on tech alone. Now, for at-home checks, remember to be gentle and cautious. Try lightly pressing on the lower right side of your abdomen. If it hurts more when you release the pressure, that's called rebound tenderness. It could be a red flag. Also, use a thermometer to check for fever, and note any other symptoms like swelling or inability to pass gas. These aren't foolproof tests, though, they're just ways to gauge if you need help. Here's the big caveat. You can't diagnose appendicitis at home. In 2025, tools like AI symptom checkers might be more common, but they still require professional follow-up. Head to the ER if your pain is severe, persistent, or accompanied by fever over 100.4 degrees Fahrenheit, as appendicitis often needs surgery. To wrap it up, staying informed empowers you, but never self-diagnose. If you're experiencing symptoms, seek medical advice immediately. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button and subscribe for more health tips. Take care, and see you next time.